Hey everybody, welcome to Lex's World. Hope you're all doing well. I am a little baked and I'm a little hungry. So I think that this may actually be a good moment to show you guys one of my little guilty pleasures, one of my sugar-filled stoner snacks. It's so simple, it barely requires explanation. Let's go make it. But also, I wanted to talk a little bit about the impact of sugar on your high, because that's a really common question. And here's our ingredients for our little stoner snack. It is super simple. A wrap, some Nutella, and some banana. I think you know where this is going, but I do need to put the camera down to do it. Ta-da! So yeah, guys, back when I actually started the first version of Lex's World in 2011, I even made a couple episodes doing these types of snacks, and people seem to really enjoy them. So I thought to myself, why not make another one? Because actually I have a whole list of fun little, really easy to do while baked recipes that taste really good. But one question that comes up often when you got the munchies is, does sugar lower your stone or not? And the answer is yes. Basically, sugar does. If you've ever been to a 420 event and you've seen the green out tent, what do they give them? They give them a ton of orange juice and they give them a ton of apple juice. Why? Because those are high on sugar and it'll make people less stoned. So there you go. That's the one risk with all of the really good snacks, is that they will lower your stone because they're so sugary. The only part that's important here is to cut up the banana relatively thin so that it doesn't tear through the wrap. But you get the idea. Then all you do is you lay it out and you have yourself a Nutella and banana wrap. It is delicious. And if you don't think it's delicious, it's because you've never had one. Now, ideally, this should be done with a crepe. This is originally like a pretty common crepe recipe, but who's got crepes, am I right? There. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Mmm. Heaven in a wrap. Mmm. If you found this useful, subscribe, hit that like button. You know what to do. Back to this.